Okay, so frequency trees. We've got the first one given where we've got 30 pupils are in a class and there are 14 boys in the class. And you need to complete it. So the starting point here is telling us there are 30 and we've got that given in the question. 14 are boys, so we need to find the boys and say there are 14 there. Because we know there are 30 people altogether, then the rest must be girls. So you can either do 30 minus 14, or think to yourself, what do you add to 14 to make back up to 30? So if you add 6, that would be 20, and then add another 10, that would be 30. But again, you could do that on a number line, so if you start at 14, add on 6 to get to 20, then add on 10 to get to 30. Or if you've got another method for subtraction, you could use that, but either way, we're going to get 16. Double check, they add up to 30. The question then says, find the probability of a pupil chosen at random being a girl. Now if I just write 16, that isn't a probability because probabilities have to be fractions, decimals or percentages. So the chance of getting a girl is 16 out of the possible 30 pupils that I could have picked from. So 16 out of 30. So that's one of the easier style questions. Let's have a look at a slightly harder one. Okay, so on this question then it says there are 28 pupils in a class. So 28 pupils in a class. So the first thing we're going to do here is pop those down. There are 28 pupils, not a good colour, 28 pupils in a class. There are 18 boys and 10 girls. So boys, 18, that's already been done in the question, and 10 girls in the class. So actually they've told us there are 10, so we've not got to work that out, but we just need to pop it onto our diagram. Of the boys, so that means I'm going to change the colour, of the boys, so going on the boys route, 3 wear glasses. So wears glasses, 3 of them wear glasses. So if we know that there are 18 boys altogether, straight away we can now work out how many do not wear glasses. So what must the missing number here be when we've got 3 already to make that original 18? So you can either do 18 minus 3 or think of the difference between those two numbers. So that's going to give us 15 who do not wear glasses. So remember, these two need to add together to make the 18 boys. Just to complete the rest of the question then, of the girls, 8 do not wear glasses. So of the girls, go down the girls route, so we're going down this route. 8 do not wear glasses, and that has already been given. So if we know there are 10 girls altogether, there must just be 2 who do wear glasses. You can either do 10 minus 8 or just spot the difference. Then to answer the question, part B then, find the probability of a pupil chosen at random being a girl who wears glasses. So how many girls wear glasses? Find the girls. Girls wearing glasses. We've got 2 of them. So there are definitely only 2 girls who wear glasses. Find the probability of a pupil chosen at random. So it's not specifically asking for a girl, it's saying of the pupils who are chosen at random, so it's out of all of the people, so it's out of the total 28 people available. So that's more like your AMBER style question. And then just one to finish, slightly harder. We've got, so there are 100 members in a swimming club, so 100 in total, going to pop the 100 in there. 48 of the members are male. This time we've got no labels, so I'm just going to put males this side, and then if you're not male, you must be female. So 48 are males. If we know there are 48 males, we need to do either 100 minus 48 or find the difference to get to 100. I know if I add 2, that gets me to 50. There'd be 50 left, so I know it's going to be 52. But remember, you could do that on a number line, so 48 to get to 100, add 2 to get to 50, and then add 50, so 52. So they are females. Then we need to carry on with the rest of the question. So 17 of the males, so if we go on the male side, 17 of the males are under 12. So this is under 12, and we know that there are 17 who are under 12. So the rest must be over, so this is going to be over 15. So if there's 17 who are under, we need to find the difference between 48 and 17. So again, if it's on a calculator paper, you could use it. If not, I know if I add 1, that makes it 18, and then I've still got another 30 to add, so 31. And then the final part then, 26 of the females, 26 are under 12, so if this one's the under, this one's the over. 26 females are under, and then we just need to work out the over. So 52 minus 26, you can take your time with that, would leave you with 26. So that would be the completing the frequency tree, done. Then we've got to use the frequency tree to work out the probability of a member chosen at random. So first, because it's chosen at random, it's out of the whole 100 of them, and it being a female over 15. Female over 15, so it's going to be that one there, 26 out of 100. Unless it asks you to simplify, you can leave it as that.